videocast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The upcoming EU summit remains the main catalyst for the trades. US dollar traded within narrow ranges on Thursday, closing the session close to its opening prices against all the rivals. US is absent from the economic calendar today. Next to the euro. The euro slipped against the dollar on the overnight session on rising doubts that the European leaders would find agreement about EFSF's size at the upcoming regional summit on Sunday. As for today, traders should be looking at German Business Climate Index, expected to decline in October. Besides that, check out ECB President Trichet's speech. British pound. British pound was volatile on Thursday, driven mostly by the news from the Eurozone. By the end of the day, however, it managed to slightly appreciate versus the dollar. In the spotlight today will be the UK public sector net borrowing and public sector net cash requirement data. Any deviation from the forecast will indicate further quantitative easing, which will most likely weigh down the sterling. Japanese yen. Japanese yen consolidated within tight ranges on Thursday. The boost of the dollar purchases against the yen, triggered by the BOJ decision to leave its fiscal policy unchanged, produced just a short-term effect on the market, so the pair closed the session at its opening prices. Today, Japanese government has unveiled plans to spend an extra 2 trillion yen to curb the yen's strengthening. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals expert. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.37 with targets at 1.3835 and 1.3885 in extension. Below 1.37, look for further downside with 1.365 and 1.358 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, we say open long positions above 1.573 with targets at 1.585 and 1.59 in extension. Below 1.573, look for further downside with 1.568 and 1.563 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 76.95 with targets at 76.6 and 76.4 in extension. Above 76.95, look for further upside with 77.1 and 77.2 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.